In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in DocHub. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can quickly place a signature field in the right spot and make sure it's sized properly for your document. This is especially useful if you're preparing a PDF for someone else to sign and you want the form to look clean and professional. First, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. After the site loads, sign in to your account to access your documents and editing tools. When you're on the DocHub dashboard, open the PDF you want to work with. If your file hasn't been added yet, create a new document and upload your PDF from your computer. Make sure the correct file is fully loaded before moving on, because the next steps involve editing the document directly. Now, look to the far left sidebar menu. You'll want to click the Manage Fields icon. Depending on the version of the interface, this may look like a clipboard with a check mark or a page with several small boxes. This tool is where DocHub keeps the interactive form elements you can place into your document. As soon as you click it, a Form Fields panel should slide open. In that panel, find the Signature Field option. This is the field you'll use when you want the recipient to sign electronically in a specific location. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct field type, especially if you also see other options like text fields, dates, or checkboxes. Next, click and drag the signature field out of the sidebar and move it onto the page. Drop it exactly where you want the recipient to sign. Try to position it carefully so it aligns well with the rest of the document. If your PDF already has a labeled signature line, place the field neatly over or just above that area so it's obvious where the signature should go. Once the signature field is on the page, click on it to adjust the size. You'll see corner handles that let you resize it by dragging outward or inward. Make it large enough to be easy to use, but not so large that it overlaps other text or formatting. A well-sized signature field helps the final document look polished and makes signing easier for the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature field in DocHub and positioned it exactly where it needs to go.